Hello and welcome to The American Individual. I'm your host Dylan, and today we have a new video for you guys. And in this video, we are going to talk about the Roe v. Wade situation in the Supreme Court. But before we get into the video, make sure to like and subscribe, as well as check out the merch store if you want to see this channel grow and improve. But anyways, let's get into the video. Now, the reason I am doing this video is because a few weeks ago, the Supreme Court opinion of Roe v. Wade was leaked. And this is an illegal act, but it was leaked to the public illegally, hinting that it would be overturned, causing an uproar among the media and leftists across the nation, as well as cries of joy from pro-life activists. Now, nothing yet is final, but I've been praying to God that the Supreme Court holds true to their current opinion, because that would be a great thing for humanity. Also, they are currently doing an investigation into who leaked it, but nothing has come of that yet. Now, you may be asking, what is Roe v. Wade? Well, if you don't know, Roe v. Wade is the name of the lawsuit from 1973 on privacy and the right to abortion. Many pro-abortionists claim it was ruled that abortion is a constitutional right in that lawsuit, like this PBS article. However, this case was more so about the right to privacy, basically saying that due to privacy, the government shouldn't be involved in women's right to have an abortion in the first trimester. This, however, is poorly written law and not constitutionally backed in many cases, and Ruth Bader Ginsburg even agrees that this was bad law before she died. According to the Washington Post, she believed before and after the ruling, just showing you how old she is there, that it would have been better to focus on gender equality instead of privacy. While I disagree with the second part, good old Ruth also knew it was bad law and that there should have been a more legislative approach federally. While I disagree with abortion in general, if the Democrats did want to truly legalize abortion, then they would have done so in the House and the Senate. But instead, they used the Supreme Court to just turn over state laws and immediately, with no way of fighting back until now. So what would overturning it mean? Well, all overturning it would mean is that the U.S. House and Representatives would have to make laws to ban or legalize it nationally. It would basically go back to the states, meaning for a while it would be states' responsibility to determine when you can and cannot have an abortion until the federal government made a law. However, this is, highly unlikely because our federal government is split so closely down the middle, nothing would ever come out of it. So in reality, it would stay with the states. There are some states that have fully legal up to including birth abortions, like Colorado and Virginia and many others, sadly. And there are some other states that have trigger laws effectively banning it as soon as Roe v. Wade would be overturned. And these states are Arkansas, Idaho, Kentucky, Louisiana, Mississippi, Missouri, North Dakota, South Dakota, Oklahoma, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, and Wyoming. So overall, even if Roe v. Wade is overturned, Democrats, you should just leave those trigger states and go to like California, Colorado, those kind of places. But other than that, most people's daily lives won't be affected by it being overturned. Now, why should you care and why do I care? Abortion is a controversial topic because it involves strictly the lives of human beings. Now, one side of that being the mother and the other side of that being the baby. I'm pro-life, and even I understand that the delicacy of people's situations when a woman becomes pregnant. Sometimes they aren't, planning it. There are some mothers who are single and can afford it, others who have been raped and conceived after being raped. There are others who may have had one-night stands and, one thing leads to another and they got pregnant. However heartbreaking these situations may be, what person has ultimate say over the life of another human being? From conception, you were watching this video, you were made with a unique set of DNA, and every baby that is conceived is made with a unique set of DNA, handcrafted by God for us to live on this earth. And in my faith of Christianity, Jesus gives us the greatest commandment, which is love, and aborting a child is not loving at all. So it goes very hard against my faith. Even aside from faith, abortion is a very selfish act if you look at it at face value, because you decide one thing, and that is to terminate the life of another human being because it may be an inconvenience to you. Now, I don't blame any women who have been in tough situations and may have had or maybe thinking about an abortion. Like I said, I understand. I get it. It's I can't imagine how much it sucks to be put in that situation. But there are some women out there on TikTok and the internet who just get abortions for fun and brag about them, and I just want to say you people are messed up. Even if you want to get an abortion, know this. There are lots of other options. You could raise the child, you could give it up for adoption, or even before getting to conception, there are two things: contraceptives and abstinence. Though to the faithless person, this is an impossible task to be abstinent, or it's unreasonable to have people buy $5 box of condoms at Target. Though I just say this, what the hell did you expect to come out of having sex? Did you expect a brand new car?
Pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Now, Josh, my boy, I'd love to give you that. A new car!
Lastly, I just want all of you to understand that no matter where you stand on abortion, overturning Roe v. Wade is a necessary step, as it is just purely badly written law. But it won't affect many people, as it just kicks the right back to the states. So, calm down, lefties. You're going to be okay. Thank you for watching that video. I know it was a heavy topic, but I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more content, as well as check out the merch store if you want to see this channel grow and improve. But most importantly, have a good night.